Okay, for these Santas, I was able to get everything at the dollar store. These were actually on sale for 30 cents, so that'll be the pom-pom for his nose. I got some googly eyes for $1, all different sizes, so just pick a couple that look nice on the paintbrush that you're going to use, and then a pack of paintbrushes for $2. So we'll probably use the bigger one. I think that'll look cuter. Or you could make all three if you wanted to and just have all different sizes. Or make one Mrs. Claus and a Mr. Claus. So whatever you want to do, but we'll just show you how to do one, and then you can hang it up as a Christmas tree ornament or put it on the wall with the hole that's already there. So measure your felt off before you start painting. I think so. Yeah.
I'm going to wrap it around a little.
And that way you can get the right size, and then all you have to do is glue it on when you're done. You don't have to worry about how dry your paint is, and then the paint will help it stick a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this little craft. Please check out some of our other videos. We got quite a few Christmas crafts out there if that's what you're looking for right now. Otherwise, just leave comments below on your favorite thing to do. Have a Merry Christmas, and we will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.